Hello, Phil from Got Memories here. I have Howard, his Hornick, and his customer number is this. He's brought me Super 8 sound films, and you guys have told him there's no sound on the film. There's sound right there. The audio strip is there. This was not run through sound film. The splicing, everything was spliced from these poorly onto this with really thick leader tape. And I had to undo all of this and put it back on the original reels. As you can see right here, there is audio, and this is the same film that you sent in. Yep. And there's his customer number right here. So yeah, also whoever spliced this film together spliced tail to tail. So I had to not only take it off all this stuff, but it was spliced upside down, poor splices, just an atrocious job in general. So yeah, anyway, this guy needs a refund ASAP, period. And stop telling customers that their film is silent when there's sound on it. Thank you. And also, if Anders still works or is CEO, you can share this with him. Anyway, all right, cheers, bye.